Guys, and welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Ruby and today we're doing a walk around video on this stunning white 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander ES in manual as well. Starting off at the front, you've got the really nice dynamic shield front that Mitsubishi's going for. So obviously it looks really good and presents very well, being that it is basically a new car as well. Really nice big projector headlights as well on the front, so you know you've got a very nice clear beam of light coming out for you as well. And you do have a daytime running light running through just the bottom there as well. Coming around the driver's side, I'm not going to spend too much time on the paintwork, but more just outlaying some of the features for you. Just having a look at that alloy wheel there, really nice design Mitsubishi's gone for there with the black and chrome as well, so it looks really good. Side indicators built into your side fender there, gives everyone around you an idea for the turning, merging, indicating, all of that fun stuff. And you do have a colour matched side mirror and door handle as well, so that is just going to obviously make the car look a bit sleeker as well for you. One thing I'd highly recommend is tinting the windows, being that we are coming into a nice hot summer. It's definitely going to help you keep your cooling not to work so hard on the inside of the car. Really nice black plastic little accent on the door there with the silver running through it as well. Just makes it look really nice. Looking inside the car, now I'm not sure if you'll be able to see much because it is a little bit dark, but really nice design on the seats. Obviously you've got your manual shifter and just looks really good on the interior there. Really comfortable as well. Scuff plates obviously in really good condition along with the door trims too. Coming around to the back of the vehicle. Now this is probably my favourite part of the Outlander. Looks really good. You do have your high mount stoplight on the top there, rear washer and wiper. And then opening it up, you have your reverse camera as well, just on the tailgate. Now you'll notice it is pointing a bit towards the left. That is obviously because when we parallel park, we do park on the left-hand side, so that'll give you a nice clear view of what is actually on that side of the vehicle. In the back, plenty of room for anything that you might need to store in the car or move in the vehicle. Being a 5-seater, you obviously don't have the third row seats, but plenty of room for anything you might need. And a bit more room under the floor there as well. And your spare wheel is underneath the vehicle. And that is just a little windy thingy, so you can close that up. Bring that down. Coming around the passenger side, fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, just something to take note of more than anything, being that it's the safe side of the vehicle. Obviously, if you do have to fill up in oncoming traffic, you're not going to get hit by any cars. What we'll do now is we'll pop open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Guys, looking under the bonnet now, we've got the 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine that does run this beautiful Outlander. Now this is the 5-speed manual. Obviously the manual is very rare in the Outlanders, so we do have something extra unique here as well. Now with this car you do have a 5-star ANCAP safety rating with 7 airbags throughout, so you and all of your passengers are very well and safe in the car. Obviously with this engine you'll produce 110 kilowatts of power and 190 newton meters of torque. And on the fuel side of things, running this car on 91, you do have a 63-litre capacity tank using about 7 litres per 100 kilometres, giving you an average distance of 900 kilometres out of a tank. So really good fuel economy on there as well. Right, guys, inside the Outlander now, starting on the driver's side door, you've got all 4 of your power window controls, and they are all automatic up and down as well for you. Just above that you have your central locking, window lock, and then all your power mirror controls as well. Just behind the steering wheel you do have your dial to change the angle of your headlights, so if you are, or if you've got a bit of weight in the back, you can point your headlights back down onto the road, and your traction control button as well. Right hand stalk we have our headlight controls, fog light controls and indicators. Left hand stalk we have our washer and wiper controls, front and rear. On the right hand side of the steering wheel we've got all of our cruise control settings along with our speed limiter. Left hand side is all of our entertainment controls and our Bluetooth answer and reject along with our voice control as well. Moving into the centre display, now this is Mitsubishi's probably the best one on the market head unit at the moment. You have your digital radio, AM FM radio, general Bluetooth controls, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well, and it is just a really nice display touchscreen. So nice and easy to use there as well. Moving down you do have your hazard lights and your eco mode, so you can obviously run the car a bit more economically. Dual zone climate control as well, so just as simple as pressing the buttons, so obviously passenger and driver can have different temperatures. And then just below that we do have a covered 12 volt socket, a few blank buttons, so if you wanted to add anything you can. There is a USB outlet here as well, so that would probably be for your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Two nicely sized cup holders that do just fold away, and then obviously being the manual shifter, really nice actual shifter as well, and then you do get the really nice reverse camera display as well, with your green lines to guide you in and the red one to show you when to stop. Hard handbrake as well, and then this nice leather wrapped center console, which does have a little tray on the top, so probably somewhere you'd put your phone, wallet or anything like that. And then we also have a 12 volt socket in here, and another USB socket as well, and heaps of storage too. So I'll just let my camera person pan around the interior a bit, show you the excellent condition of the inside, and mostly just how it does actually look, and then we'll jump outside and wrap up the video. As that wraps up our walk around video on this stunning 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander ES. I hope it's giving some insight as to why this is the right car for you, especially in that rare manual as well. Just a couple of things before I go. This car does qualify for a premium mechanical protection plan that we do offer. It is an additional cost, but it's definitely well worth it if you do plan on keeping this car for a long time. What that will give you is pretty much double your manufacturer's warranty. So everything covered in that is covered again for another 5 years. Now please ask us about that plan, definitely well worth it, obviously, as I mentioned before. And if you are looking to finance the vehicle, please ask us about putting it into your finance payments. It won't affect your payments by a huge amount either, depending on how you do structure your loan. But Mario and Julie are happy to tailor a package to suit your needs as well. Another thing I would highly recommend is our glass coat protection for the exterior paintwork. Obviously that'll protect your car against bird droppings, bat droppings, insect etching, fading, bug damage, all that fun stuff that we don't want to happen to our cars, and we can package that together with some window tint for you as well. So again, can work that into your finance payments as well. One last thing, please go check out our Google reviews, sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So obviously you can be assured of dealing with a reputable dealership, the right kind of people, and getting an excellent quality vehicle as well. So the number to call if you are looking to book a test drive or inquire on this vehicle is 9907 0555. My name is Ruby and thank you for watching.